Hi, this is Jared here. You may have found it difficult to edit curves in Blender 2.9. I tried all the tutorials, I tried all the instructions on the internet, and still it wouldn't work. After much frustration and time, I figured out a way of doing it. So here's how it works. First of all, let's draw a curve into the workspace. After you draw the curve, you can edit it and change the parameters of the curve. Now to set the curve, of course, you have to click Enter. Otherwise, you won't be able to do anything else. So let's click Enter. And now we can go to Edit. So according to the tutorials, you simply grab the curve and you can edit it. But it's not working. Why is that? Well, I found out that the reason is because you have to turn on curve editing. There's a little button here. If you click on it, now it says curve editing. That was in the other tutorials that I saw. So now let's try and click on it, and yay! You can see that now we have the control points. Just grab the control points. Wait, it doesn't work. Grab the control points. Hey, they disappear too. How can you use the control points if you can't see them? So I found out there's another little feature that you have to turn on, and you go to the overlay. So click on the overlay here. At the bottom, there's handles, the pull down menu. So I pull that down. You can't see it on the screen, but I select all, which means that you will always see the control points, even when you don't click on it. So here, you can still see them now, clicking on it and not clicking on it. Great, so let's try and move the control points. Still doesn't work. It's so easy in the tutorials, you just grab it. Maybe we need a tool. Let's try this. I use the transform tool. So now let's click on the point. Can't do it. Still can't do it. What's happening here? Well, it's because you have to click on the point, and so now you have to change the function for what you click on. Here, if you can see, we're clicking on the entire curve, but here we want to click only on the point. So we select this. So we changed that feature. Now it works. Now you can click and drag the control points. So you can click the center and actually drag the control point. Previously I was dragging the handle. You click V, you can change the type of control point. Let's change it now to free. So we grab the handle and we pull it, and now we can see the handle's free of the other handle. Change it back to automatic, it moves back. But it turns out that it hasn't really changed back. It's changed back into position. Try it again. So what we need to do really is to click the control point itself and not the handle. And now click V and type V, and then now it changes back when you click automatic into the smooth curve. Here's another thing I found out with the transform tool. Click on the center, and now you can just use the circle to change the angle without moving the point. Or you can grab the point itself and move it up. And of course, the handles will change the curve. Don't forget, you can just shorten or lengthen the handles as well. So that's how I found out how you edit curves in Blender 2.9. It's a lot more difficult than it looks. When you look at the tutorials, a lot of different settings you have to make. Once you learn it, then it's easy to do.